This is what my car looks like, my headlights look like during the day. All completely blacked out on the inside, and amber right there, and there's the halos and the demon eyes. So we'll start with the halos. We'll start with red. Oh yeah, that's awesome. Hey everyone, today's February 28th, 2019, and I hope all of you are having a great day today. And honestly, it is really weird picking up the camera right now. I haven't filmed a video on this channel in about a month now. And that is the longest time span I haven't made a video on this channel in the past 2 years. I've had so many of you asking me on Instagram and through my comments, asking me where I was, why I wasn't posting content, and to be honest, I don't really have a good excuse. If you guys didn't know, I do live in the Chicago area, and this winter has been brutal. It's been snowing so often, it's been so cold, and honestly, I could have still filmed videos, but I just was never in the mood to pick up the camera, if that makes sense. So I think I just needed a small break to kind of refresh myself to enjoy making videos again. Because I only want to make videos if it's fun for myself, and now I feel like I'm in that zone again where I can make fun content for all of you. So I do want to apologize for not making a video in the past month and not keeping you guys updated with what's going on. So today's video is going to be awesome. I have 2 new modifications for my BRZ. One of the modifications is already on my car. I installed it about 2 weeks ago. The other modification I'm installing today. My buddy Ivan, he's actually driving up right now, he modified headlights for my car. And if you guys didn't know, I had stock taillights the whole duration of owning my BRZ. And it's going to be awesome getting modified headlights for my car. And I do want to talk about my taillights for my BRZ. Alright, and I want to show you guys what I have in storage for now. I have a few modifications in here that I'm waiting to install. So in my storage area here, I do have my Work Emotion CR Kiwamis, and I was debating on selling these wheels and getting new wheels for the upcoming season here. But I decided I'm going to keep these wheels. These work wheels were my dream wheels for the longest time, and I couldn't get rid of them. They look great with my dark gray metallic color of my BRZ. And I also have my new aftermarket over pipe and front pipe. These will be on my car shortly. My buddy Ivan's here right now. And I didn't show you this, it's been a month, but new taillights for my BRZ. They're the Valenti taillights with the carbon fiber here, but I'll get more into that in a minute here. I'll back the car up. But what he's here today to do, he has the modified headlights for his FRS here. And we'll take a quick look at them. He has the demon eyes and the halos for them, which is awesome. And we'll be getting these on my car today. And I feel like this aesthetic here, it just tops it off for my car, because at this point for my BRZ, the only other things I could do is boost it and do little things like this with the lights and little extra things I can do. And this is something I always wanted to do for a long time. And what's cool is I can show you guys this app right now. You can go through all the colors. So that looks awesome. And looking at here, you have this color wheel which goes through all the colors. And we're gonna swap these onto my car right now. And in a little bit, I'll go over these tail lights. We'll be losing some sunlight in a couple hours. We won't have too long, but we'll get into this right now. So comment down below what you guys think of these headlights. These definitely look awesome. And we'll get a quick walk around of Ivan's car. Really clean looking car over here. The one thing I really like about his car too is his side skirts look really clean, and his diffuser. It really goes together really well. Yeah, and I love this style of diffuser. It looks really nice. Alright, so Ivan's taking off his bumper right now, and we'll talk about my new taillights I have on my BRZ. Alright, so it's been a month now. The last time you guys saw my car, I had the Buddy Club version 1, the JDM with the amber color. And those were great taillights. I had the Buddy Club taillights for maybe 3-4 months, and they were great, but I really did miss my Valenti taillights, and I didn't think I would miss them that much, because when I first bought my car, my first pair of taillights I bought were the Valenti black editions. Then after that I got the black gold editions, and then I had my Buddy Clubs for 4 months, and the Buddy Clubs were great, but I wanted to go back to Valentis. So I ended up getting these new Valenti taillights, And I'll turn my taillights on in a moment here. They match my Valenti 4th brake light here. They're not smoked at all. I think they look really good. And it is dark in my garage here, but looking over here, you have the carbon fiber on the side all the way around. And it looks awesome. In the dark, it's hard to see, but I promise, in the sun, you can see it a lot better, and it really makes it pop. Alright, and sorry my car is so dirty. The winter here has been brutal. But looking back here, my Valenti taillights now match my Valenti 4th brake light. It looks awesome, and honestly, the carbon fiber is so nice. These are brand new off FT86 Speed Factory, and I couldn't be any happier with them. Alright, so we're taking off my stock taillights right now to be able to put on these right here, and I'm actually really excited to get these on. Something new, something fresh for the car, and it's gonna look really good. I always wanted the halos with the demon eyes here for the BRZ. I just never got to it, and it's nice that these are already done. So we are losing some light right now, and at the end of this video I'll show you guys my tail lights and my headlights of my BRZ, just to show you guys what it looks like. Alright, so we got my stock BRZ tail lights off the car, and we're doing the wiring now for the new tail lights that we're putting on. And I guess I'll help you guys once it's done. I'll show you guys how it looks like. And it looks like it's gonna be dark by the time these are on. So I might give you a preview tonight, then I'll finish the video in the morning, pick up the camera, and we'll go from there. Alright, so I got these new side markers as well, thanks to Ivan here. So these are the turn signals on the side right here. You have the light up front. These are awesome. So got the new side markers here, and these are really nice too. We got one of the headlights on right now, the bumper's off, and the other taillight's still off. Just a quick update, and if we turn this on and off, it'll be the normal white color. Turn it off, back on, and it's the normal color, off, on, yellow.
Many hours later.
Strobe, a white strobe, red. Oh, that's awesome. You can change the brightness, make it really dim, make it really bright, and I can turn it off.
The next day.
Alright guys, so this is what my car looks like, my headlights look like during the day. All completely blacked out on the inside, and amber right there, and there's the halos and the demon eyes. So we'll start with the halos. We'll start with red. Oh yeah, that's awesome. Alright, so we'll change that to blue. Oh, it's like a turquoise color there. That's like a blue color. Back to red. And the whole color scale here, that looks awesome. So we'll just keep it on red for now. And now I'm gonna put on the demon eyes. The demon eyes is in the middle right there. Alright, so we have the halos on, and we'll put the demon eyes on right now. There you go. So I'm back in the garage right now. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I honestly love the Demon Eyes and the Halos. So please leave a like, subscribe to the channel if you're new. Please leave a comment down below what you guys think of the Demon Eyes and the Halos, and also my new Valenti taillights on my BRZ. I got a full light makeover on my car. Brand new headlights for it, which I absolutely love. It's a great change for the car. The black housing really looks nice with my dark color of my car. My new side markers, which look really clean. They're smoked. They have the signal on the side, the light in the front here, and of course my Valenti taillights, which I love. These are my favorite taillights I've ever had. The carbon fiber looks awesome, and I really love the look with the Valenti taillights. And remember, I respond back to every single comment I get. And again, I hope you guys enjoyed this video today. Peace out, and I'll see you guys in the next video.